The best shortwave radios of 2026? Perfect for travelers, emergency preparedness, and radio enthusiasts who love global broadcasts. We have selected top models based on reception quality, features, durability, and overall value. Stay tuned to discover which shortwave radios stand out this year and which one is right for you. Check out all product links in the description. Number 5, the DreamSky AMFM Shortwave Portable Radio is a practical and easy-to-use device designed for everyday listening at home or outdoors. With its classic design and user-friendly controls, this radio focuses on simplicity while delivering reliable performance. It supports AM, FM, and shortwave bands, allowing listeners to enjoy local stations, international broadcasts, news, talk shows, and music with ease. One of the standout features is the large built-in speaker, which produces clear and loud sound capable of filling a small to medium-sized room. Audio quality remains balanced and enjoyable for speech and music alike. The long transistor antenna improves signal reception, helping the radio capture stations clearly even in areas where signals are weaker. The high and low tone selection adds flexibility, letting users adjust sound output according to personal preference. An earphone jack is also included for private listening. The radio is designed with large analog tuning and volume dials that are smooth and simple to operate. This makes it especially suitable for seniors or anyone who prefers straightforward controls without complicated menus. The digital LCD display shows time and tuning information clearly, while the backlight ensures visibility in low light conditions. Users can select between 12-hour and 24-hour time formats. Power flexibility is another strong advantage. The radio can operate using the included AC adapter for indoor listening or 4 AA batteries for portable use during travel, outdoor activities, or power outages. Compact yet durable, the DreamSky Portable Radio offers dependable reception, nostalgic charm, and practical convenience, making it an excellent gift choice for all ages. Number 4. The Greadio Portable Shortwave Radio with NOAA Weather Radio is a versatile emergency and outdoor companion designed to keep users informed, connected, and prepared in any situation. Built with durability and functionality in mind, this compact device combines multiple essential features into one reliable unit. It supports AM, FM, shortwave, and weather bands, allowing access to music, news, international broadcasts, and real-time weather alerts when communication networks are unavailable. One of the most impressive aspects of this radio is its 12-in-1 functionality. In addition to radio reception, it includes Bluetooth 5.4 connectivity, USB and TF card playback, an SOS alarm, flashlight, compass, and a powerful 14,800 milliwatt-hour charger pack. The built-in battery can charge mobile devices during emergencies, making it extremely useful during power outages, storms, or outdoor adventures. The long antenna improves signal reception, helping deliver stable and clear broadcasts even in remote locations. Charging flexibility adds significant value. Users can recharge the radio through Type-C charging, solar power, or the hand crank system, ensuring access to power even when electricity is unavailable. This makes the device especially suitable for camping, hiking, and emergency preparedness kits. The IPX3 water-resistant design provides added confidence during outdoor use. Bluetooth connectivity allows easy pairing with smartphones, tablets, or computers, offering wireless music playback with stable performance and minimal noise interference. Despite its compact size, the radio feels solid and practical, with controls that are straightforward to operate. With its wide range of survival features, dependable reception, and multiple power options, the Greadio Portable Shortwave Radio stands out as a dependable, all-in-one solution for emergency readiness, travel, and everyday outdoor listening. Number 3, the R11 Portable Shortwave Radio by Egaget is a compact yet powerful emergency radio designed for outdoor adventures and disaster preparedness. Combining multiple radio bands with essential survival tools, this device offers reliable communication and entertainment wherever you go. It supports NOAA weather alerts along with AM, FM, and shortwave frequencies, allowing users to stay informed about local news, global broadcasts, and emergency updates when traditional communication systems are unavailable. Audio performance is supported by a built-in 5-watt magnetic speaker that delivers clear and balanced sound for both voice broadcasts and music playback. Bluetooth connectivity allows the radio to function as a wireless speaker, speaker, making it easy to stream audio from smartphones or tablets. In addition, USB drive and TF card playback options provide flexible listening choices, while the headphone jack enables private listening when needed. A unique feature is the inclusion of 7 natural white noise sounds and a timer with automatic shutoff, which helps conserve battery power while promoting relaxation. The R11 radio is designed with emergency readiness in mind. It features a bright 120 lumen flashlight, SOS alarm, and built-in compass, making it useful during camping trips or unexpected situations. The device can also act as a mobile power bank, allowing users to charge essential electronics during power outages. Power reliability is enhanced through 3 charging methods, including Type-C charging for everyday use, along with solar and hand crank charging for emergencies. The 4,000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery provides extended playback time, ensuring dependable operation when it matters most. Overall, the MGKit R11 Portable Shortwave radio delivers strong functionality, practical emergency tools, and versatile entertainment features in a durable and travel-friendly design. Number 2, the Eton Elite Executive AM/FM aircraft band and shortwave radio is a premium portable receiver designed for serious radio enthusiasts who want advanced tuning capabilities and worldwide coverage. Built with precision engineering and a compact travel-friendly design, this radio offers access to AM, FM, longwave, and shortwave frequencies, allowing users to explore global broadcasts, news stations, and specialty transmissions with impressive clarity. One of the standout features of the Elite Executive is its advanced tuning technology. The PLL synthesized digital dual conversion system provides highly accurate station tuning, while the synchronous detection circuit helps reduce distortion and signal fading. This results in stable and clear audio even when listening to distant shortwave stations. The inclusion of single sideband support expands listening possibilities by enabling reception of amateur radio operators, aviation communications, maritime channels, and other specialized broadcasts. Customization options further enhance the listening experience. The radio allows storage of up to 700 programmable stations, making it easy to organize favorite channels. Levels bandwidth filters help improve reception under different signal conditions, and the digital clock includes both alarm and sleep timer functions for convenient daily use. Multiple tuning methods, including manual tuning, automatic scanning, and direct keypad entry, provide flexibility for beginners and experienced listeners alike. Despite its advanced capabilities, the radio remains highly portable. It includes a protective vegan leather case and can operate using either the supplied AC adapter or AA batteries for mobile listening. Bluetooth connectivity adds modern convenience by allowing wireless audio playback. Overall, the Eton Elite Executive delivers professional-level performance, exceptional reception quality, and versatile features, making it an outstanding choice for dedicated shortwave listeners and travelers. Number 1, the Raddy RF919 SSB shortwave radio is a versatile and feature-rich device designed for serious radio enthusiasts, emergency preparedness, and outdoor adventurers. With support for FM, AM, shortwave, single sideband, VHF, UHF, AIR, CB, and weatherband frequencies, this radio allows users to access a vast range of local, international, and specialized broadcasts. Its multi-band coverage makes it suitable for use across multiple ITU regions, ensuring consistent reception wherever you travel. Tuning is intuitive and precise, offering dual knob controls for main and fine frequency adjustments, complemented by up and down buttons and numeric keypad entry. The rear antenna tuner and side knob allow users to optimize signal clarity, while up to 1,600 channels can be stored for quick access. The RF919 also features a large 3.54-inch main display showing reception status with a customizable 7-color backlight and a secondary screen displaying signal strength, time, and a dynamic music spectrum light when in Bluetooth mode, creating an engaging and visually informative experience. The radio is equipped with a 5,000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery, providing long usage for extended listening sessions. Bluetooth connectivity and micro SD card support expand playback options, while the built-in 20-watt speaker and subwoofer deliver rich and immersive sound. For private listening, a 3.5mm headphone jack is included. 3 external antenna ports enhance reception further, including VHF, UHF, SMA, AM, and shortwave interfaces, which can be combined with the built-in antenna for optimal performance. Overall, the Ratty RF919 offers powerful multi-band reception, advanced tuning options, modern connectivity, and exceptional portability, making it an ideal choice for radio enthusiasts and emergency preparedness alike. Thank you for watching our guide to the best shortwave radios of 2026. We hope this video helped you find the perfect radio for listening to global broadcasts, staying informed, and enjoying your favorite music and news. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews. Check the description for links to all the radios featured in this video.